crazy's coming after us. Come on, Pizzazz, get out.
Bye-bye, Pizzazz. Holy snap, fellas. Dresses. I'm gonna dress her like the Exorcist. Hey, Pizzazz, you crazy? Get out of that box. Huh? She's coming after you, Pizzazz.
Hey, Pizzazz, what you doing wearing that dress and that damn wig?
I want to enter the leave me alone.
Take that damn thing off your head. Crazy fuck. Who the hell said you can wear this wig?
I want to enter the leave me alone.
Oh shit, she's coming. You know, another thought, maybe you should wear it. Yeah.
You see that, James? She didn't do nothing to Pizzazz.
Of course she didn't do nothing to him. And a dash. She thinks she's one of the girls.
Maybe, James, if we wear dresses, she leave us alone too.
You guys are crazy. You gonna wear a dress?
Why won't you, Booger?
I ain't gonna wear that shit. You crazy? It's not my style.
I found a hat, James. But this hat goes with that dress. Now give me that dress.
You crazy? I'm gonna wear this dress as velvet.
Come on, James. Leave me this dress here.
No. I'm gonna wear this. Get the fuck off me.
Give me that damn dress. Get the fuck off of me, man.
Hey, you ain't supposed to be funny. Friends, man. What you guys fighting for a damn dress for, man? Holy snap, James. Here she comes.
Damn, James. You look like a crazy bitch.
Yeah, right. Look who's talking.
I got a beautiful dress on. And you're jealous because I'm not giving you your hat. It matches your dress.
I know, give it to this tree.
That shit don't match. Shh. She's coming. Be quiet.
Okay. Holy sweat, fellas. She thinks we're one of the girls.
Yeah, we got away with it. Oh, me. I like this.
Holy snap, fellas. She didn't do nothing to you guys. Shit, then I'm gonna wear a dress.
You know what, James? I can't take this shit no more. It's driving me.
Well, Cutter, what's up?
Ah.
Don't worry, Cutter. I'll get you out of here.
Don't like a crazy bitch.
Later for you.
Rose, it's me. Pam, are you okay? Oh, you're not? You're my sister, and I love you. I don't care what you do to me. This is not your fault this happened. I love you, and God bless.
Holy snap. They knocked out Pizzazz.
Who you think did that to him?
Who else Booger to take his dress?
Holy snap, Booger. You knocked Pizzazz out?
I knocked nobody else.
Oh, yes, you did. Knock him out, take out his dress, and put it on.
I don't want the exes to get me. That's why I wear the dress.
You look like a crazy bitch.
Okay, later for you guys. Leave me alone. Shit can do well.
Come on, James, let's get her.
Okay.
Why you doing on your dress?
Want me to put it on?
Of course, put it on so you don't get your ass.
Okay, I'll wear the dress again. Hey, don't be alarmed. We're here to help you. Help you fight against Rosie.
I don't want you to fight my sister. I love her. I love you too, Pam. Please come to us. Oh, please, leave my sister alone.
Come on, fellas. There she is.
Hey, fella, she's crying. I ain't gonna mess around no more with them.
Look at them. All you know how to do is cause misery in the life of others. You should be ashamed of yourself, you son of a bitch.
What do you mean, you James? Look, I'm a Martian.
You stupid son of a bitch.
Oh, come on, stop.
I kind of feel bad scaring these girls like that. I'm gonna take this dress off. Hey, Missy, where you girls from anyway?
I'm from the state of Utah. We used to sing, me and my sister at a church. Would you like me to sing something for you?
Go ahead, beautiful. I would like to hear you sing.
Yeah, me too. You don't have to cry. Your sister's gonna get better. Somehow.
I'll sing this song for my sister. And I'll also sing it for you guys. Maybe this song can do some good for your soul.
What is that, fellas? The bitch is going crazy.
I'll leave her alone.
Who keep on playing that piano? Fucking. Pizza, what are you playing that shit for? Oh, I feel so sad too. Oh. Would you help the poor little girls? Don't cry, young lady. Look. Look, girls. I'm a Martian.
You're the most stupidest person I ever met in my whole life.
But I'm an alien, look.
Dumb bitch.
Hey, Cutter. You think you can help my sister? Help your sister? Of course I can. You know what? I'm a Martian. Hey, I come from the planet Poo-Poo and the Poo-Poo on the one time.
You see, Carter, you only cause misery on this girl's life.
I try to make it beautiful, but every time I try to do good, it just comes out wrong. Damn.
Well, you're gonna have to help her.
Help her? Let's see if I can try to help her again. Booker passed out, he can't take it no more. Oh, damn, piss ass, you smell like shit, you know that? Okay, let's see what I can do. Young ladies, hold on to your booty. I'm gonna see if I can help her.
Okay, gang, you should hold hands.
Who done left you, boss? Stop telling people shit what to do.
Man, I'm trying to help out.
Man, help out your ass, Dad. It has doodle in it. Come on, everybody. Let's hold hands. Let's do a seance so she can be beautiful again.
Get that shit off your head. You look so stupid with that.
I can't pretend I'm a Martian, man. Leave me alone. Damn it.
You don't take nothing serious. That's what gets me mad.
Yeah, Cutter, you always trying to be funny, you're not.
Trying to be funny? I'm trying to be like a Martian, man. Like an alien. Leave me alone already before I do shit.
Oh, please help my sister.
Go fuck yourself. Hey, Pamela Pinch. Can I sing you a song?
Well, I don't see why not.
And if she should tell you, come closer. And if she tempts you with a charm, tell her no, 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 no. Don't crack my ass, 'cause my love belongs to me. And if she should tell you I love you, whoa, whoa. And if she tempts you with her charm, whoa, oh, oh. Step in love from your arms, whoa, oh, oh. That's my ass. Belongs to me.
And if she tempts you with a charm, you know, color seems good.
Sounds like a bitch. No, 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 no. Don't crack my ass, 'cause my love belongs to me.
I knew you was a faggot, James.
You know what?
And she tempts you with her charm.
Sound like Cutter.
Ines, don't let her up on your arm. Whoa, oh, don't hurt me now, 'cause the love, for her love belongs.
I fucked it up.
Tell her no, 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 no. Motherfuckers, hello.
Hey, piss ass, stop cursing.
Oh, fuck yourself. No, don't leave me alone, 'cause the love belongs to me. I know she's this kind of girl that throws my love away, but I still love her so. Don't hurt me now, don't hurt me now. And it tells you I love you, whoa. Just remember she said that to me. Oh yes, oh, don't let your love for my arm. Whoa, oh, don't leave me now. Love belongs to me.
Hi, yo. I hope you like the movie, The Exorcist of Rosemary Part 2. I'll be honest with you, I didn't know what else to do in this movie. I didn't know how to end it. So, it's a lot of work, like I was saying before. I'm a busy person. I'm going to be doing movies all the time. So, I hope you guys like it. I don't know what else to do, but I think it's going to be a Part 3. Because I'm thinking about other funny things to do. And I got like a couple of seconds in it, but I don't know what to say. Oh yeah, somebody told me. Let me just cut it. Cause this shit's get the fuck out of here. Wait a minute. First thing, dumbass, it's not a movie. It's a short story. And I run out of fucking time too. Forget about this shit. I only got 15 seconds left. I told you guys I'm gonna make a movie about aliens. I couldn't do it. That puppet's taking too long. I'm almost halfway done, but it's taking too long. So I'm planning to make another movie. I got how many seconds left? 15 seconds, that's it.